Hello and welcome back to channel. Last time we stopped at the moment when the code was all ready, and when we ran it we faced some issues. I cleaned up the caches by invalidate caches and selecting all of these parameters for the PyCharm. Sometimes this happens, especially when you are using your ID a lot and doing simultaneously more than one project. So take that into account, that the ID itself is possibly can be a cause of some of the errors. So my advice would be try to invalidate caches and clean up and restart the ID and your computer like at least once in a month. Let's check, and after that after cleaning it was running well, so let's go over it. As you can see here, it's the technical analysis dashboard, which displays the stock information that we gathered and calculated by formulas. Scrolling a bit down shows the table and the indicator explanation, closure price, its last recorded stop price, and for those fields that are green means that it was higher than the previous day one. So let's check if calculations are correct. And yes, we can see that if this is lower than this, it's red. You can see 2 days in a row are RSI in range 30 to 70 normal and green, red otherwise. We can see that some days for the stock RSI were green, for some other those were red, so we can see some volatility in here. The upper band and lower band, they don't have the coloring or indication. It's just volatility based on 20-day SMA. MACD has green color if it is above signal line and red otherwise. So here's the signal line. If it's up lower, then you can see it's red. If it's higher, then we can see it's green, which is good. SMA 50, and yes, I made one more change with our code. I just got to it later on. If we are doing SMA 200, this means that we need the data for 200 days. On our code, initially we got the data here for 6 months, but I changed it to 1 year to have SMA 200 populated too, because in a business week, there are 5 trading days, 52 weeks a year. That makes 260 days for trading, and sometimes even less, yes, because there are bank holidays. So yeah, here we can see SMA 200 and SMA 50, and if SMA 50 was above SMA 200, it was green, but unfortunate, yeah, here we can see that for some days it's higher than SMA 200, which means that it's bullish trend, so you can get into a deal or buy SMA 200, otherwise it's shown as red, which means that the trend was bearish, so market goes down. You can check here other stocks too, like some just random stocks, see if the data is populated, like ABT, and Let's try with other letter. BBG. My file is a bit outdated too. Let's check something else. GWRA. Yeah. You can see here the numbers populated too. RSA, because it's calculated based on 12 days. The first 12 trading sessions, there's no data. And the upper band is calculated and lower band based on 20-day SMA. So again, for 20 units, no data, start with 0. And for 20 days, 20 days shows something. And SMA 50 and 200, obviously from 50 day and 200 day respectively. So don't get scared if you see none, just scroll down in your table. So yes, this is it. We got to our result. How it can be helpful for us. If we are going to run this table daily, or even have it continuously running and refreshing during trading hours, so we can see more data for a closure period of trading, which is more relevant, and that would help to make business fundamental or business technical data based decisions. You can see here that there is an opportunity to save these graphs as SVG, PNG, etc. I hope you enjoyed going with me through these sessions. The next one that I'm thinking of will be not the technical analysis, but fundamental analysis. Again, I will start with some explanation on how the project code should work, and just let's one more time see what's going on in here. And we covered almost everything. Buy and sell signals, RD MACD crossovers, and RSI thresholds. We have it this shown as green identities. So yeah, we have one more tool in our arsenal to be able to understand more the financial market. Stay tuned and wait for the next series of videos regarding fundamental analysis. Thanks for your time. Like, subscribe and share this video for others to be able to see it too. And take care. See you next time. Bye bye.